Hello again, Scott.
Hello, Olga.
How are you doing today?
I'm good, thank you.
So you have done the surgery 2 days before.
Yes.
How do you feel today?
Very good today. I slept very well last night. There was a little bit of pain at the back, but not unbearable. I didn't need to take any painkillers yesterday. It was perfectly manageable, but much better today. I'm really surprised, to be honest. Only 2 days after, I feel fine to fly home.
Perfect, glad to hear that. How was the first night?
The first night was a little bit difficult. I slept like 2 hours and then I woke up, and then 2 hours and then woke up. It was difficult to get comfortable, but only on the first night.
Okay, perfect. Just wanted to ask you if you're happy with the hotel. You were staying in Surmili Hotel, the 5-star. Were you happy with this one?
The hotel was excellent. The staff were very friendly. They couldn't do enough for me. When I went down to reception, they organised for me to get picked up by my driver. They were very friendly. The hotel was very clean. The food was excellent. Room service was excellent. Absolutely brilliant, the hotel.
Perfect.
Yes.
The transfer, did they find you in the airport easily?
They were brilliant. The guys were very friendly. Yeah, straight from the airport. There was only me in the car. Very nice car. Delivered. No problem at all.
Okay, you had a really long surgery. How did you feel? Like, did you feel tired after it? What did you feel?
No, it was a long day. I was nearly 9 hours in surgery. We had a break for something to eat. Sometimes I felt a little dizzy. If I did, I just asked for a glass of water, and then I felt fine after that. I was explained everything that was being done step by step, so no, it was perfectly manageable.
Okay, so everything was according to your expectations?
Absolutely. Olga talked me through everything step by step, and it was just how I was explained. There was no hidden surprises, shocks or anything.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being such a lovely patient and a guest, and we hope to see you again here.
Thank you for all your help. Thank you, Istanbul.